Hey there, so in this video I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Webflow e-commerce with your Facebook Ads Manager so that you can synchronize your catalog ads between the two. And anytime someone checks out, Facebook can assign that to a specific product in your catalog. So the first thing you need to do is in your Webflow account, you need to go to your CMS and we're going to check in e-commerce, products, click into a product and look and make sure that you have a SKU assigned to each of your products. So as you can see, these all have SKU. So that's the first step that we need to go through. So the next step is we need to go to the checkout page. So if you go to the top and scroll down in pages until you get to checkout, and in here in the order section, we want to add a new text block that will show the SKU of the product. Now we can show this to the user or hide it. Both will work fine. I'll show you how to hide it next. But first thing we do is go up here, click on add. We'll add a text area, text block, drop it in here, and it'll ask us if we want to automatically get text from products. So select the drop down, and SKU is one of the identifiers here. So the next step is to go to the pixelflow classes document, and this is going to show you all the different classes you can assign to any element on your website, and pixelflow will then send that information along with an event to Meta whenever an action happens. So in this particular situation, we want to add it to the product ID. So we're going to copy this, and in here, we're going to go up to the top right and paste it into the style section. As you can see, nothing different happens to it, but this is a class that's been added to this little section. Now we can stop here and just publish the changes and the user will see the SKU whenever they're checking out. If you don't want the user to see the SKU, you just go over here and in display, you click on none and it hides it. Now pixelflow will still see that information and send it along with the event, but the user won't see it on the checkout page. Once you're done, you go up to publish selected domains, and you're done. So to check that this is working, we're going to go into the product page again, add a product to the cart. Once it's in the cart, we'll continue to check out. And up in the corner here, you'll see I'm using the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome plugin. So this only works on Chrome, but it's really useful for troubleshooting and making sure that all of your events are firing all the correct information. So in here, you'll see that it's showing content type product and contents. It's showing the quantity, the ID, and the price. So you should see all of this information. And once it's sent to Meta, Meta can assign the ID to the ID in its product catalog, and it can assign that particular sale to that specific product. One other thing to be aware of is that Webflow will also send events data using the pixel, so via the browser, for your order confirmation pages and your checkout pages by default. So we've implemented a feature within pixelflow that will block this so that pixelflow itself and no others will send both your browser side and server side, so your pixel and conversions API events all in one, and you don't have any duplicates. So if you're using pixelflow, the best way to do this is you add your event URL. So you click on your event URL, you paste in your different pages that you want us to track. So you put in your checkout page, and this will be initiate checkout. Now we can automatically extract this data from your checkout page. So all of the standard information that's on your checkout page, like name, email address, location, the products, all of that information, we can automatically track that because every Webflow checkout page has a standard layout unless you change it. So to enable that, make sure that this is ticked. By doing so, we will also block Webflow from sending any information via the pixel so that you don't get any duplicates, and only pixelflow will send that information. You can also do the same for your order confirmation as well. And that would be a purchase event. And once you do that, you'll see the exact same setting comes up for that as well.